recycled parts, which is machining by using these machines. The surface looks so smooth and beautiful. So I would say this machine is your best choice.